Hey guys, this is Simple Graphics. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do to subscribe if you've not, and also like, comment, share the videos with your friends that wants to learn design with their smartphone. So this is a design I want to make. This design was actually from someone in my group that said, okay, I'm a painter and I need flyer. I want to still learn how to design. I said, okay, let me use the video for tutorial. So send me your details, and he sent his details. So this is the short design. Let's say a simple design I just made for him, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I told him I'm going to use it for tutorial, and he said okay. So after the tutorial, I'm going to send it to him. Let me export this first of all, and I'm going to just start again. So this is it. This is a plain background. So I want to start by imputing the text which was given to me. So this is it. So this is the brief. I send them a little brief to fill, and this is what you filled. So I'm just going to start up the design. So this is his name, although it's not registered when I said. So but I told him to restart it. So this is just it. So you're good. So this is the blue color I use, and then the font was just a simple font, Montserrat. So I worked on Montserrat board for the name, and I reduced the size of it. So make sure, I told you if you are designing, make sure you add alignment. So I'll click on this button here, and then I just want to help people. There was a person that someone made a design actually also for tutorial purpose, and then I saw that his design was not properly aligned, so I just decided to let me use the grid line so that the person can actually know what I did here. So I'm going to lock it, and the next I'm just going to lock this, copy this, and then the next thing there was actually the service, but there is a heading. I want to impute a heading for this design. So what I said is let's beautify your home. So this is the heading I just picked, and I said okay, let's work with this as the heading. So I can decide to use this. So the reason I'm going to use this is more bold. The other one I use for the flyer you just saw, I don't really like the Bebas. The Bebas new was not that bold, so I decided to use this now. So I'm going to lock this. I'm going to copy the first one again, and then impute the next thing, which is the services of the person, which is this. And I'll copy this ones out. So it says service you render. Oh, sorry. Well, this is I think I copied something else. So what I would do, I'll just paste it again. I still have it on my. Okay. So this is it. So I'll just change this to our services. So our services is there, and then I want to make every letter in this service is bold, every first letter. Okay, and then I'm going to add etc because I'm sure it's not only these things that he does. You understand? So that's what you do when some client brings brief for you. You just try as much as possible to make it look better than what they gave to you. Understand? So I'm aligning everything to the left because of the picture I'm going to use is going to be on the right. Get so this is the address. So I need to make this address weird. I'm going to add a comma before the Ogun State. Understand? So for a proper placing of the address. So yeah. I think we're almost done. So I'm just going to add the phone number and the social media handle. So if you don't have a social media icon handles to add, most times some people add, but the colors are just very different, or maybe there are many colors. Like if you want to add TikTok, you need to look for TikTok icon. Some of them will use the color, and then for Instagram use the color which is another color. Facebook which is blue. So the colors will be many. So I prefer using plain color, which is the icon I used to use on my design. But for this, I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use call, like write the text call. The reason is because I don't want to download an icon again, and it's just a tutorial video. So if you're making for a client, you can decide to do it or decide not to. But make sure you are doing something good for your client. So practically this is what I did. So I want to import my picture for the background. Okay, this is it. So the picture was like this. I want to fill it relative size to the ending, and then the picture was like this. But I want to send it to the back first of all. So I needed to flip it. So what I did was to go to this 3D rotate, and then this second one, and then I'll just flip it to the end. Then ta-da! So another thing what I did was I want this paint brush to be showing well, so I just need to shift it to the right, something like this. So this is it. So I'm going to lock every other thing I did, and the next thing I did was to add a shape like this, and this shape was this. Let's just do it like this. So what I did was to use a gradient, and this gradient has one side feed and the other side not feed. So I'm just going to pick it here, so which is the first one. Now what I did in this gradient was this side I put it at the middle, this first one, this one here, put it at the middle, and then pick the color of this background, this one here. Understand? Then I this. Then for this side I just go to this color and then reduce the opacity of it. So that's just what I did there. Okay, so I'll it, and then I'll lock it. I'll send it to back of the background, and this is it. So practically we're almost done. So I'm going to remove let me leave my grid line first of all. So I want to add the shapes I added. So the first one was this. So the reason for this shape is to actually remove this many spacing that is in the design. So I'm going to increase the radius of the shape I added, and then I'm going to pick the color from the shirts. So I'm using this. So I just pick this color from this shirt. If you don't know how to pick color, go to this plus sign, go to this eyedropper tool, and then you pick color. Understand? So that is it. So another thing was actually I sent this down to our service and then change this our service, change the color to white. Understand? So white. So there are so many ways to arrange this thing in this box, but I just want to stick with this for basic tutorial. You understand? So this, let's make your home beautiful. I want to take it down a little, and then I want to change the beautiful to black. Beautiful. So I just go. I went to the color. I like only the beautiful, and then I want to make it black. So the reason is to make a contrast for the colors. Understand? So another thing I did was to add the other shape for this address. So just like this, and then I'll increase the radius a bit, and then I'll send it to the back for the address. And you have this. So I change the color to this second color on the cap. So that's just it. Second color on the cap, and then for the write up, I turn it to white. So I just have to arrange it where on the box, and then for the phone number, change the color to white. So I can use white, and then I can also use yellow color on this background. So what I will do now is to go to this color. I want to highlight only the phone number and turn it to yellow, or I can say, okay, let me turn only the TikTok to yellow. So this is to make contrast on the text. So for this address, I'm just going to this address I'm going to color, and the word address only I'm going to turn it to yellow. So this is a bit different from the work I just saved. So practically this is what I will send to the guy. So I think we are done. I will off my grid line, and we are good to go. So this is how I made the design. Feel free to send a DM on WhatsApp, and see you guys in the next video. You can practice yours and then send to me on WhatsApp. And so thank you all, and do well to like.